All right, guys, 2022 Godzilla Super Duty Tremor. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Too quiet. Look at that. You can't even hear it. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 94, barely anything. And that's him revving it all the way. So, we're about to change that. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, look at this massive beast of a truck. Godzilla is in the lift, is on the lift. Godzilla is on the lift. 2022 Ford F-350 with a 7.3 liter Godzilla motor, V8 beast. What we got done on it, you guys can see a bunch of work. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then we cut the stock resonator that comes here, dual in, single out, and put this beautiful shiny 3-inch in, 3-inch out X pipe. Then we crossed it over with 3-inch pipe into a Borla Pro XS there. Dual in, dual out, and it's got another X pipe in it. And then we ran 2.5-inch pipe out the back on each side, as you guys can see, this way and this way, into massive 6-inch tips, black, to complete the look there and there. So it's got a true dual system all the way back. Look at that, guys. Just absolutely magnificent. There's the tailpipe that was on it. We're going to go backwards. Tailpipe, resonator on it. And then this is the muffler or resonator that I was telling you guys. That's dual in, single out. And then another resonator there. And then there's the muffler right there. So it's got a muffler, resonator, miniature muffler, another resonator, and all this piping that we just took off. And it weighs about 150 pounds. So we gave it an awesome weight reduction. And look at that. It just came out absolutely magnificent, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful Godzilla content. And he's a reserve, guys. We really appreciate his service. Wow. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. That's clean. There's sound decibels. Again. So that double helix between the two X pipes made a huge difference. You can see how clean the sound is. Just really clean. Look at that pop. Again. 105. Oh, nice pop to it, too. Wow. Go ahead and back it up. Tremor. 7.3 true dual. Wow, I love it. Look how much I have to back up to get all the whole truck in. Yes. I love it. I'll let you guys hear it on that side. You guys can see the tips right there. Clean. Come get you some, guys. All right, guys, we got us a 2022 Ford F-250 XLT 7.3 liter beast. Massive truck, as you guys can see. Barely fits in the shop, but I like it. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it duals into I guess a resonator or a miniature muffler. I don't know. There was so many different things on it. But he wanted sound. He saw our other video on a white truck we did. He wanted it, but he wanted a little bit more throaty. So I told him, I got you, don't worry. So we put a double Dynamax race bullet setup, 24 250s. There'll be a link in the description for them. You put them double, it tones it down a little bit more, gives it more throatiness. Then a 3-inch pipe all the way back into a massive 4.5-inch pipe and another resonator that comes on these. And he left the factory tip. He didn't want to change the tip, so there's a factory tip on it. He might change it later on. But there, it comes with another resonator and a massive muffler, as you guys can see right there, that we took off. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. It's a Super Duty 7.3 liter. And like always, guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. What do you think? Give it gas? Perfect? All right. He likes it. Here it is. Here's sound decibels on it. 104. That's perfect. He didn't want it too loud. He didn't want it too quiet. That's why we went with the double Dynamax bullets. If you guys want it not too loud, you take those two off and put double Dynamax bullets. It is a long truck. Look how much I have to go. 2022. Nice. Oh, I like it. Again? That's beautiful. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. '20 Ford F-250 7.3 liter beast. Huge truck with a huge engine. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, and it's a gasser. There's the converters there and there. Then we left this massive resonator or muffler or whatever you want to call it. And then we cut everything else off because this thing comes with one muffler here, another muffler, and then 2 resonators out the back. So he wanted sound, was watching our YouTube channel, said, I want sound. I said, we'll give you sound. So that's what we did. This 3-inch pipe, where the mufflers used to be, the other 2, and put a Flowmaster Outlaw, part number 15430S. As you guys can see, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then we continued the 3-inch pipe into another resonator that comes on this thing. We didn't cut it off. And then, you know, you got to complete it because it's such a massive truck. You got to put a 6-inch tip on it. Anything smaller would look funny on it. And I think you guys agree. So it's got a 6-inch by 18 black tip right there. This is the other resonator we cut off and other muffler we cut off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, if you like the sound, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to buy it, there'll be a links in the description. Enjoy. Oh, that's perfect. Woo, I can feel the air all the way here. 7.3 beast. Wow, you feel it all the way here. You know, I've never, like, all the videos I've done, you never feel the air all the way to here. That is, look, that is crazy. I can feel it. Wow. Sound decibels?
gonna run this over, right?
That sounds so good. Yeah, that sounds beautiful. That's, I think, perfect. Exactly what you were looking for. Make sure to get you the long one, because you can see it, you know? If you can get some black paint and paint that pipe, yeah, some high temp, it'll look really nice. That sounds so good. Beautiful. What do you guys think? I like it. No mess or outlaw. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's perfect. We don't want it too loud. That's perfect. Hope you guys enjoy. 2021 Ford F-350 Godzilla has entered the building. Look, this lift is 25 feet long, guys, and it takes all 25 feet of it. So this truck is at least 25. It's more than that because it sticks out on each side. It's about 28 feet long. It's got the Godzilla 7.3 motor. Just a massive truck all the way around. As you guys see, it's got nice wheels. He waited 9 months to get this damn beast, which I don't blame him. I would have waited too. Anyways, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it goes into this massive resonator or muffler. It comes in dual in, single out. Ford puts this on for drone, okay? So you try not to take this off unless you guys want it really loud, okay? And then it goes 3-inch, and we added a 3-inch pipe because there was another resonator there that we took off, and then a massive muffler that was there that we took off and put Black Widow Maker 10-inch. There it is. Part number, box problems, like life problems, BW0013-3. There'll be a link in the description for this beautiful beast right there. All right. And then, believe it or not, it comes with another resonator there, as you guys can see out the back to complete the look, because it needs a 6-inch tip for this massive truck. All right, there's the muffler that we took off, and there's the resonator we took off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you guys subscribe for more beautiful content, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified. Now it sounds like a truck. Yeah. Not bad at all. You like it?
Yeah.
Here's sound decibels. You want more? Is that good? Yeah. Okay. Again? Yeah, right at 106. Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Let it idle. You see it idle because of that front one? It's quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you still hear that. Cold start would be nice on it.
Right.
Yeah. All right, go ahead and back it up. Honestly, still needs a little bit more. Let's see when it breaks in a little bit longer, you know? Give it a couple of weeks. Godzilla truck. Let you guys hear on the inside. 7.3 Tremor. Massive truck, guys. Look at that. Only got 300 miles on it. Picked it up from the dealer, brought it to us. It was way too quiet before. Not anymore. Got black Widowmaker and a 6-inch tip. So this Ford F-350 2022 got factory massive converters. Everything's massive on this truck, and I love it. So what we did is put a Y pipe instead of the muffler. We'll show you guys the whole setup on it outside. So we put a Y pipe, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then he brought a Borla XR. We put on, then 3-inch pipe in the middle. Then he brought a 4-inch Borla race muffler. We just put on there. Then 3-inch pipe out the back into his 3.5-inch tailpipe. And it came with a factory resonator there. We left it. And then put this massive 5-inch tip to complete the look. As you guys can see, and it's got some nice 35s on it. Really beautifully done. It's not overly done, it's just clean, as you guys can see. This is the massive muffler that was on it. There. Another baby resonator, you want to call it, dual in, single out. And another really baby resonator. So they really had to go above and beyond to quieten it down. So we just shed about 150 pounds off of it by just doing that. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That was perfect. Wow, that's clean. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 102. So it's clean, not overly done. He didn't want too much. He pulls a boat with it. So I don't blame him. I wouldn't want it too loud either. Go ahead and back it out. Beautiful silver truck. I gotta back up so much to get it all into the frame. It's so big. That sounds really nice. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside.